Hello, friends. Today we are making something that will completely change your mornings. This is lentil porridge, no oats, no flour, no sugar, and more protein than you'd ever expect from breakfast. If you struggle with blood sugar spikes in the morning, feel hungry an hour after eating, or just want a warm, satisfying meal that actually does something good for your body, this recipe is for you. Calories per serving: approximately 210 kilocalories. Servings: 2. Total recipe: 420 cal. Be sure to consult your doctor before making dietary changes, especially if you have a health condition. This porridge may be especially helpful for 1. Blood sugar and insulin resistance. Lentils are low glycemic and rich in fiber, which slows carbohydrate absorption and prevents sharp sugar spikes. 2. Weight management and hunger. The combination of protein and fiber keeps you full for hours without overeating. 3. Heart health. Lentils are rich in potassium and folate, supporting healthy blood pressure and reducing bad cholesterol. 4. Gut health. Soluble fiber from lentils feeds beneficial gut bacteria and supports regular digestion. Recipe and ingredients: 1 cup, 200 gram, red lentils. Rinse well and soak for 1 hour or overnight. Drain and rinse again before cooking. Add lentils to a small saucepan. Pour in 2 cups, 500 milliliters, water or unsweetened plant milk. Cook on medium heat for 15 to 18 minutes, stirring occasionally, until soft and creamy. Add half a teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, sweetener to taste, equivalent to 2 teaspoons sugar, a pinch of Himalayan salt, 1 tablespoon coconut oil or butter. Stir well and cook for 2 more minutes until thick and smooth. Topping: half a cup, 70 gram, fresh blueberries, 2 tablespoons chopped walnuts, 1 teaspoon chia seeds. Benefits of key ingredients: red lentils, plant-based protein, iron, and folate. Stabilize energy, support digestion and satiety. Blueberries, rich in anthocyanins and vitamin C, protecting blood vessels and reducing inflammation. Walnuts, omega-3 ALA, magnesium, and antioxidants. Excellent for brain and heart health. Cinnamon, helps improve insulin sensitivity and adds natural sweetness without sugar. Coconut oil, medium-chain fatty acids that support energy and metabolism. Try this porridge tomorrow morning and tell me in the comments, did it keep you full? If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe so you never miss a new healthy recipe. See you in the next video, friends.